Good morning, boys and girls. Today I want you to open up your books to Lesson 13 on your books. That's page 86. Lesson 13, page 86. Put your fingers on the yellow box, please, and repeat the words after me. Green, yellow, grow, open, fall, new, down, goes. Words to know. Number 1, green. The green buds come out in the spring sun. Number 2, yellow. He put on yellow boots on a rainy day. Number 3, grow. Many flowers grow in the summer. Number 4, open. The windows can be open on a hot day. Number 5, fall. The leaves change color in fall. Number 6, new. She has a brand new backpack for school. Number 7, down. Snow comes down on a cold day. Number 8, goes. She goes to the park to skate with her mom. Background, read together. Words to know, 4 seasons. Number 1, winter comes and goes. Number 2, a new season starts. It is spring. Number 3, green plants grow. Then it is summer. Number 4, many flowers are open in summer. Number 5, fall comes next. Leaves turn yellow. Number 6, snow falls down. Winter is here again. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Comprehension, read together. Target skill, cause and effect. One story event can make or cause another event to happen. The cause happens first. It is a reason why something else happens. The effect is what happens because of the first event. The cause, it is raining. The effect, the girl stands under an umbrella. As you read seasons, think about what happens in each season and why. What happened? Why? Read together, words to know. Green, yellow, grow, open, fall, new, down, goes. Cause and effect. Tell what happens and why. Target strategy. Visualize. Practice what is happening as you read. Genre. Informational text. Gives facts about a topic. Meet the author, Pat Cummings. Pat Cummings loves getting letters from kids who have read her books. Sometimes they send her other things too, such as t-shirts, mugs, drawings, and even science projects. Clean Your Room, Harvey Moon is just one of her many books. Seasons by Pat Cummings. Essential question. What changes do the different seasons cause? Spring. In the spring, fresh winds blow. We plant new seeds and green buds grow. Eggs hatch open, little chicks sing. The sun is out, it must be spring. The grass gets wet, splish, splash, splish. When we step, we hear a squish. Summer. Then summer is here, and it gets hot. We are not in school. We play a lot. Bugs buzz and hum, the plants grow tall. Next to them, I look small. Summer goes fast, and when it ends, we will go back to school with all our friends. Fall. In fall, the leaves are red, yellow, and brown. In a gust of wind, they will fall down. The leaves crunch as we jump and hop. It is such fun, we cannot stop. Animals get nuts and pack them away. They will have lots to eat on a cold day. Winter. When it is winter, cold winds blow. It is fun to sled on the soft snow. When it is cold, some animals rest. This animal has a nap in a nest. A hat on a shelf gives us a plan. We will put the hat on a big snowman. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Which is best? We like them all.